One them lie. In how in a plan now, that thing you want to do now, is it truly from your mind? Or are you doing it out of necessity? Are you doing it because people are expecting you to do so? Are you doing it because you just want to make somebody angry or to revenge or to show whom you are? That place you want to go, is it truly from your mind? Do you like it? That person you want to punish, you want to harm, shake your heart. Is your mind really helping you to do that? Or are you having some conscience trouble? Is there anything letting you to know that what you are doing is not good? Then why do you continue to do it? Why wouldn't you take a decision that will give God glory? James chapter 4, verse 17. Say, he that knoweth to do good and fails to do it, to him it is sin. When you know that your plans are evil and your mind is telling you not to do it, but because of what you think you are going to gain, or what people around you or your friends would say, or the inevitability of your doing it because of what you are going to gain, but you know it is evil, you go on doing it. That is what is called sin. When it is nothing in your heart, it is not sin. But when you begin to act upon it, it becomes sin. When the thought is in you, it is not sin. When we begin to actualize it, it becomes sin. What is in your mind now? Where do you want to go tomorrow? Check. Does it give God glory? What do you want to do now or even tomorrow? Check. Does it give God glory? That thing you desperately want to do, what is the mind telling you? The other side of your mind is telling you that what you are doing is evil. The other side of your mind is telling you, don't do that. But the other side say, do it. You will gain this, you will get this. Do it for one reason or the other. But the most important thing for a true person should do is to check whatever you are doing. Does he give God glory? Whatever you are doing, how good is it to humanity? How does God love what you are doing? What is the will of God concerning what you are doing? And what does humanity say concerning what you are doing? Anything you do that will not give God glory, and you know that God frowns at it, and your heart tells you so, why must you continue doing it? Anything you do that you know that will be harmful to humanity, to your fellow human beings, and you want good things, but for fellow human beings, you don't care about them. You want to do that thing. It means it is bad. My beloved, make some changes. Refrain from those evil and do what is good. Remember James, as I told you, chapter 4, verse 17. He that knows to do good and fails to do it, to him it is sin. You know now to do good, but you are failing to do it. You are desperately trying to do the evil. You are desperately trying to do the negative ones. You just want to please yourself and not to please God. You just want to please yourself and not to please your fellow human beings. So you become selfish. But I tell you the truth. Those who act without knowing how their neighbor will feel, those who act without knowing how God himself will feel, always end up in sorrow. They end up in regret. They end up in tears. But those who care for what God says and how pleasing it will be to the fellow human beings, God is always happy with them and will never let them down. I don't know what is in your mind. I don't know what you plan to do. But think twice. Refrain from that evil and learn to do good. The evil will not pay you well. The evil will only destroy you. The evil will only harm you. That evil may even end up in killing you. And what gain will you then gain? If that you are pursuing will end up killing, why not refrain and follow the word of God, and it shall be well with you.